And going to go over each individual item that comes with it on this video. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First tool you open up out of the box, expect it to be quite this small. Alright, there's your blower. Smaller than I thought. Next up, we've got the 18 volt battery powered saw. It does come with the saw blade here, which is great. Flip the bag out. We got the storage bag. The rest of the tools are stored inside here, it appears. Let's see what we got in the bag. This is the multi-tool there. Alright, we got the hacksaw. All your owner's manuals. Comes with 3 18 volt batteries here, the 4.0 batteries. Those are the charger for the 12 volt there, 18 volt there. A drill. Driver there. Flashlight. Lastly is your impact gun, impact wrench, 1/2 inch impact wrench. So quite a haul. This video's been helpful giving you a first-hand look at what's inside.